What do you think famous YouTubers use for filming equipment? I've seen behind the scenes footage of many famous YouTubers. As I mentioned in the previous video, we have two very important topics for this work besides filming and video production. The third point I want to add to this video is about a very creative yet completely simple setup. For starting, the camera that is suitable for a completely professional and high-quality video is, in my opinion, the Sony Alpha 7 Mark IV. However, I've noticed that the Sony ZE-1 is also used. The two cameras are quite similar in terms of sensor and filming quality, but the Sony Alpha 7 Mark IV has a bit more features and options, and I prefer it. The second point is that I personally use a fixed lens everywhere. If your location is stable and you know you are in a studio, definitely use a fixed lens because it provides very beautiful and soft bokeh and focus. However, if you want to spend less, you can fully utilize variable lenses like the Sony 24-70 lens, which has an f2.8 aperture, as it provides excellent bokeh and is versatile. Regarding lighting, as you saw in the camera, I completely recommend Sony cameras for all video work because they are perfect for filming. For lighting, Nanlite lights definitely provide the best quality for our background lighting, and we should have both RGB and colored lights. Most famous YouTubers have a Nanlite for their main light and a soft light with a honeycomb grid in their studios. This honeycomb grid is very important because it softens and beautifies the light on the face. Many filmmakers and videographers do not mention this. Lastly, while this has been about filming, audio recording is not my specialty, but I personally use the new Lark M2 microphone, which competes with Rode microphones. However, if you have a studio and want a stable and richer sound, make sure to use condenser microphones. Even the cheapest ones have good quality.